Kotoko ni attitude. And feel as a dear echo.
Rich Medasi. The attorney say, oh, how to folk. Nitie a kitty be. Also football commentary. A kitty be. Say Yami and Fefianka, the midfielder Hussein Mohammed. Kadiano. Agency be worm. Me am na call ne baba be see. Oh. Na de no more ye say omo pe Hussein Mohammed for free. And I'm a cash agency they say. Me sre omo adabraka. Me say has ne Kotoko losing players for free and I'm a ninja ho. Now who say so contract no? When them say the contract until next year expire. And no more tiase. Now there's one other top striker. Shemin na has special di home komo, but I'm fine. I may pass second round. Shemin, striker.
But has a
brutal intimate a top striker pa.
Local now foreign.
Yeah, foreign.
Oh, okay.
As I go to call so.
Names Casamana.
No, only man just say has okay. Me shall see him free. Has only the first coach or call. Has first coaching so any, but not Sikasem a issue and son ever play an idea so. This Nigerian international Wajidi pa Mokochi. Oh, he's a big coach. Wajidi or Nigeria or Nigeria. See, I'm not gonna say name. Escape me kakra. Now play an idea. Men can't necessarily say Sikasem. By be a course ni free a cocodrino. Any arrangement I know say a course no. Sa call me crano. Ebiti alaja can be mumpu. Enti understand by. The second round will be betimi asi. Na Kotoko so. Ova, munkra mu players ni you. Onim Kotoko so. Minim so fa ni munkomo ya. Kotoko midfielder he be jawu. Also ye nipa ba kwa Kotoko coach no eba no. Players three so for na eda na kuma so person no mo ye adwuma pa. Sambo na. He be jawu aka the boys no. Na Jawunanka transfer deal be yaba. Ba coach no and stepping say ompene. Na enkomo bi nso gusu a ekoso nti Kotoko nso ma nanim da ho. So amanen da ho na ye boss season no ewia. You be jaw betimi akwakopi mo South Africa. To ma nanim da ho because still one money abre. Enti menso me check scratch say even Kotoko kra no enkomo nso akoso within Kotoko nso say also say another 1 year contract. Which are very remarkable and good. Sabe ya Branton ko so kumpa Kotoko betimi aton na nyesika. But the enemy bisa me only say for now Kotoko ne 10-year development plan. I can say the key players olusu obia at least within 3-year period they also to keep you because that's the only way they can make an impact in Africa. Enti ehona na me bisa me say enti say jawu eyesa 1-year contract de ma Kotoko. And many so be jam and aquana because definitely the Kotoko ye be and Jodi mu akotene. Now Rich, yen shade ye bi. Asante Kotoko I am the signings has in so any dear. Now so start free has and the Kotoko afa center back bi. Me bom penyim fo abaso na meka ne ho asem. How to folk 11 signings. 11 signings. Double digits. Has crowd 22 crank Kenya one. Okay. Now Rich, ade ni Michelle list no din na me who say has idea friend strategic signings. Kotoko 12 has 11. Say kakra ni penyim. Na Rich idea bi. How to folk Afa Abrante Biadi Abdul Aziz left back. So kind of Sabrante so do All Blacks. Was national team JC na. And on for goalkeeper, the goalkeeping department who offer Bakope offer Vincent Anane. Rich Sir Uba has baby offer players pana. And you forwards. Offer 4 forwards. 4 forwards no form offer John Enchi. And offer Mamadou Korama. And also a forward from Ivory Coast. Only offer Alex Banso. And also air forward. And offer Rosin Chairman. Abante no Free Park Academy no. Offer also can. Rich. Sir Usha has signings now. Sir Menka Dominic Sobila. Dear no Sir Dominic Sobila. And Caleb Cranton. Now offer Prince Amevo right back no. And I'm now say Jan center back. One shot be. Oba center back honoma. It is clear Ghana hanum for now. Sir open the best center back pairing I had to folk in the cra. Minim so abaji hu achi ya.
Center back pair.
To folk ne kura.
Kevin Osesibe.
Ali Mohammed company. No, so Kevin Osesibe
Piqué no zina ko do so mu hia oman mu.
Piqué in ball, but Piqué is better than Harry Maguire. Kevin Osesibe is better than Harry Maguire. Me so Piqué or you better than Harry Maguire. Yes, he is better than Harry Maguire. Mumbo se mu mistake away
Manchester United ni.
Tie. Mu mistake away. Utie. Maguire, obi make say Piqué mistakes. Maguire so send one goal pa. Na kra refi, mu weekend game am boy do that. You no so me defend them kwa defend. Not man. Now
refi no.
Piqué on your side no. Piqué defend dia, she ni aggression, she ni composer. Or defend better than Harry Maguire. Now what a problem. Now some catch say Benjamin Asari, he's better than most of the Premier League goalkeepers. Obegetu. Benjamin Asari. On him go that Premier League goalkeepers be.
I know.
So we for EPL teams na list we buy half of them there. So we ask the goalkeeper, some few goalkeepers are. Maybe yanko one cap. Keepers are muji omudi anamoso no. At the higher stage, so when no opportunity and go one cap Libya, and you could can ask someone come over. But at the higher stage, creme de la creme was here. You rated the best goalkeepers in terms of saves. Mr. better than England goalkeepers. Germany crowd here nanka. Now I have a problem. And you don't minister can't start as no. I say I'm Jude, Mr. Minister, one can't say, but you know by because Madrid ba Piqué and Ali Mohammed and Benjamin Asai. Na Madrid ba Hubert Jamu Vitinha. And I'm said baby. You were talent you are your stars, but your problem they say you projecting on me. British media now but you projecting the players. Harry Maguire ni di bye. But me say my share my trouble ashe Piqué Kevin Osesibe. My share na ashe Harry Maguire. Chairman, and then level no.
So are you saying say yeah players ni project you on
no you players
and project players now the English media come was who say
be a hype keke bebre who say only average years senior bebre hype me say my guy said the normal ye pa bra ya shaman na there be mistakes so omo Piqué has opportunity na high Magana and England and strikers. I just really almost Ali Mohammed no company. Okay, to Joado. Ali Mohammed,
Jude. Ali Mohammed ne Kevin says me too say. So problem me no very good. Magwade oku echido. Mago ani tuma.
My guy
ka defenders bi afa no moba.
Why Harry
ka ka heavy bi kra de anka meka.
Be now say
a player what by a captain? And the Manchester United pendy.
Na Manchester say na bra na mu ti say. Na me bo. Ni can answer no. CNN rated the whole world top 10 best clubs in the world. And also club you rating 8th. What the trophy be? That you only went to the Manchester so na man and say Manchester bra papa.
Not with the interesting. House is saying you're close to the window no.
Oh yeah 11. But the who saw your strategic.
Okay.
One about center backs on he felt to say already Ali Mohammed and Abraham the Eddie Piqué. On said here and on side with you side out do move him. On said that hand who be bring to offer just one center back. Shadio say Uber DM one more. Has he smart? Oh say okay DM no. Rich Rafael Mponsa to me ball. So as our boy no. Rafael Mponsa tente no. The offer papa team and a quite Dr. KK upon team and a quite Rafael Mponsa 8 me born.
Okay.
You were born senior man actually in yesterday when league Mumbako. Abdul Karim. So is a midfielder no. Senior man enso ho. Obet me obo asan so boss number.
Enko Kotoko de no.
Sha Kotoko nso e strategic na Kotoko afa branch bi mani ageme hwa na me say onim Kotoko season yo ho. Baby baako Kotoko advantage kese de chen has enie. The goalkeeping department of Asante Kotoko super. Oh, how can goalkeeper no? Yasin Bono Pepe. Hey Jude.
Great.
Ha Akrano. Vajayo Uti.
Abdul Wadi Murad.
Akwani go that tutu.
Yasin Bono mu
Akwani go that tutu. I feel mo say Emiliano Martinez no type.
To the lad.
The lad no problem. When you go,
because no, ne lad go mu dia na.
Yes, I can't go.
That started from the bench.
Go that. Na say the lad crown. On your sure start. On your feel better United goalkeeper na so. Aziz Adari. On you go that pa. To goalkeeping department no. Omo and the test say Maxwell ko do time no. Sa pepe na omo and the Felix Anan Kwame ba esa kra Razak Kabalola no. And sa pepe na say Kotoko no. Which is very good because rich. Oh, ball competition say oh ball go say ball FA Cup. And to also o prepare who ye. Na baby ba ko me who say Kotoko aya mani agini. Rich Kotoko lose 3 center backs me remfio. Last season Kotoko na the center backs Harry Ansu. Beboa Zakaria Fuseni. Samba Onel Congo Soja. Kotoko lose 6 center backs ni na. Now who be here say obey be free up in the squad. Now Rich center backs or form back wa for na mani agi pa no. Aya Intanga Tamzu. Rich when you call a player no.
Is of dia Congo.
Wa ball oko Swazilanda wa bo Mbabani ni so mu no wa bo tu ni na ana osai ball Vodvo na Vodvo no or captain or mu team no man wey obedi juma okro mu obebu ndua brutal one or height or the physique na naika nitika so the mu Samba no Abrante wey may even be better than Samba or no. I'm telling you this morning, bro. I've watched this guy. I know him. And you say minimum year pa. Way. One shot to confess Samba bakumpo.
Okay.
No, me boko to call back. A good sign and Abrante way. Rich on him go that papa. And you saw him that kick on him day pa. So now go Swaziland League no more. Open the best center backs. He was rated amongst them.
Okay.
Solid player.
And you my list na menko Mr.
Wafa Emmanuel Sanja right back. Wafa Kadir Abdul. And Emmanuel Mama Labi Nyame. Abrante no offer no koko so you go no. So no makane wan sem dada. And the season yo seniors me no. Sa usha pa de minim emre ntimi church mu bebre no. Both Kotoko had to folk. Strategic signings. Na on say sa boy wa Emmanuel Sanja. Right back no. Rich me chu agina kwade bi so. Kotoko. Anytime I Kotoko be jina na so pa no. At least or left back and right back be on your special. What's the Sha me kan sa me ko tete dia. Mo betre mu akwasi apia mabra so na mo betre mu. Ti ma me fam kitua bi. Asante Kotoko. Yenya Aziz Ansa honorable meboa. Right back. Ni na Godfrey Yeboa TV3. Left back. Na fekeke. Why na ni betimi agina Kotoko anim. Sa time na Kotoko be Kotoko. Kotoko in recent times e baba benya Harrisonafo cry there sa time no obaya ntoso. Unsa Harrisonafo ya ntono ekwa se ye nkoso ne hwe. Onya Harrisonafo samo inkum ebuwe. That time you said the Kotoko be gina na nan so. Say steady na say ampo. Ya brantie ya left back here Ibrahim Moro. Memoa. And most steady critical anytime a Kotoko air peke a Kotoko air bibi no. Left back ni right back on your special in team.
And you mean na strategic buying.
Strategic buying. That was your bomb penny for abaso.
The Ebemi who so be a strategic buying no.
Somebody about the face.
Aduma Friday. How do you say? The end justify the means on the best start.
Of course.
So to players papa you be
one papa so
you be. Eti nyame aduma efiada no. Say one baba seduma. In fact, said the net Jude edgy players in Nhyira and say you be who ya. Nhyira no nyame aduma fiada and you be who said the name and so echo.
Are you ready? Democracy Kapasa Drobim, May the 3rd edition. Elbaso Live, oh Kumasi Babanya Sports Stadium, 28 August 2026. Ebesi Fiada, and the Clash of the Titans.
Asante Kotoko say
Fantabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the Club of the Centre, Ukum Apem Ebeba, and Alfie, the Continental Club Masters. Phobia, Absolute. Never said I until the bones are rotten. 3 p.m. sharp. Na jamra friasie. Na woni bibi. Kebere kamba cutting razor. Members of Parliament versus the executives. 1 p.m. I was a NPC campaign. And the man to the hey. Answer at 3 p.m. Gamma Kasa friasie. My energy the 2026 edition. Ebea Sante Kotoko. Anas Hasselford. Get feelings of Jaffa. Popular Star. 230 Ghana Cities. Center Line. 50 Ghana Cities. VIP. 100 Ghana Cities. And you're organized by the Parliament of Ghana. Headline sponsor KGL Group.
Okay, Yami Adama Fiade, 30 for Popular Stand, 50 for Center Line, 100 for VIP. Mr. Adu, good morning.
Morning, sir. Rich.
Now to say,
I'm ready to do many jepa. Me who's we jepa.
I'm to know any.